First ride on me and my son's car because I've been fixing it. Oof, look at all that dust, boy. Do you want to record it?